What's up, guys? We have this Dyno Zone from 1998, 1999. It's in pretty good shape, actually. So we're going to throw a bunch of green parts on it to match the green dyno stickers. We have these mag wheels with green tires and green valve caps. We got some Black Ops turbo grips. We're going to put on a brand new gyro kit. We got a green chain and some old green pedals. Let's get to the build. What's up, guys? We finished up this Dyno Zone from 1998, 1999. This thing came out pretty cool. Lots of nice green parts on it. Some department store mag wheels. So we're gonna go through everything with you. First of all, we have the Black Ops turbo grips. We put on this green lever. These are the original handlebars and stem. We put on this green gyro cable. Green lower gyro cable as well. We got the green Harvester Canadian tires with a green dice and some cool 3-spoke mag wheels. Moving on to the middle, we have the 1/2-inch green pedals, the original sprockets and crank, and we put on a green KMC chain, original clamp and drain pipe seat post with the original seats. We have got some Bulldog brakes, another Harvester tire and a green dice, and the 3-spoke mag wheel. So this thing came out pretty cool. We're gonna post a bunch of 90s dyno stuff above, so make sure to check that out as well. Let us know your comments too. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you soon.